Hey everybody, Justin Worden, and you're watching What's New in Electronics. We are down here at SMTA Guadalajara. I'm with Jorge Gonzalez of Innovaxe. Jorge, how are you today?
Excellent. How about you?
Oh, I'm doing so good. It's the first day of the show, so our energies are really high. We're not hungover yet. These shows down here in Mexico are a little different.
Well, we have a lot of experience with tequila and all those different drinks, so, we're ready for it.
Absolutely, but more than just tequila, Innovaxe has a very good name in the industry. What are you guys really known for?
Well, one of the things that we were the pioneers of the industry. We started in 2003 when really nobody had paid attention to the logistics of how to move material within the SMT industry. And, through the years, people have taken really advantage of our product in order to be able to increase the OEE, reduce the idle times of the line, and overall control of the inventory.
Yeah, companies are growing at an all-time rate, right? They're investing so much back into their business, but with things growing, more products getting smaller, tracking is becoming a major issue. So what are you really seeing with everything kind of going over to this digital, electronic, everything talking to each other? How do you see the industry changing from here?
Well, one of the things that, fundamentally changed the industry from the part of Innovaxe is the fact that we can connect to a lot of different platforms in the MES, ERPs, and so, that is a basic, like the backbone of our industry. So if you connect to SAP, if you connect to ITAC, if you connect to Panasim and Nexim and all those platforms, you are able to take advantage of their advances in AI and incorporate it in ours. So, that communication, it is our forte.
Well, one thing that I always like to talk about when I'm talking with software companies and anything with a digital footprint, right? We're talking with some of the most brilliant customers out there. They got PhDs in this and engineering and some very smart people. However, when they bring on a company like yours, they don't want to spend all the time learning and train. Do you guys really handle that full onboarding process?
Oh boy, that's one of the things that we do well. So the very key thing is that we don't have a lot of moving parts within our products. So therefore, we don't need a lot of people that know mechanics or any of that. So pretty much we're concentrated on the IT. And therefore, we can actually contact our racks, electronically by their network. And so we don't have to be there. In customer needs anything, they call us, we connect to them, and immediately we can bring it up and running in a matter of hours.
Well, I'm a big fan of let the experts handle the work, right? So their job is to manufacture a nice piece of electronics. Your job is to make sure you take care of everything else on the computer side, we'll say, or the software side, right? So they focus on their work, you focus on yours, and it creates a very smooth partnership. But for those that want to learn more about Innovaxe, what's the best way they can get a hold of you?
Well, anybody that is wanting to improve their control material, from the main warehouse all the way to the SMT floor, final assembly, they can contact Innovaxe.com, INOVAXE.com.
Jorge, thank you so much.
Thank you.